Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to look at some exciting new products for the 66 to 77 Broncos. Introducing our restoration quality seat hinge cover set, specifically designed for the 66 to 77 Broncos. Made exactly like the Ford originals with the correct texture details, they will replace your broken or missing covers perfectly. Available in black or parchment colors, our seat hinge covers come in a set of 4 pieces, 2 for the driver's side and 2 for the passenger side. Mounting hardware is included, unlike others on the market. So if you own a classic Bronco that deserves the best in restoration quality parts, you have come to the right place. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.